Today I'll be telling you guys how you guys can transfer Metamask into your Trust wallet. So it's pretty simple. So first you want to open up your Metamask wallet. So I'm going to open up my Metamask wallet over here on my extension. Now after you open Metamask, what you need to do is click on the three dot at the top right of your Metamask and then click on account details. Now from inside account details, you want to click on show private key. Once you choose that, you need to enter the password of your Metamask wallet and then click on confirm. Once you do that, you need to hold on this button for some time and then it's going to show you your private key. Once you get your private key, click on copy and copy it and then click on done. Once you do that, you have done. Now you need to open up your Trust wallet. Now once you open your Trust wallet, you want to click on add existing wallet. Once you click on add existing wallet, you want to click on over here secret phrase. Once you click on secret phrase from over here, you want to choose Ethereum because Metamask is an Ethereum chained wallet, so you want to choose Ethereum. Now from over here, you want to choose private key and then enter the key which you copied from your Metamask and click on restore wallet. Once you do that, Metamask is going to ask you to create a password for your wallet, so create a password. Once you create a password for your Trust wallet, your Metamask wallet will be imported into your Trust wallet just like this. That's how simple it is to import your Metamask wallet into Trust wallet. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.